SEC-registered crypto company Prometheum launches first product, Ether custody service. Tim Hakki last updated February 7, 2024 at 7:23 GMT plus 22 min read. Prometheum, the first and only SEC-approved crypto company in the U.S. Prometheum, the only SEC-registered digital asset service provider in the U.S., will offer its first crypto product in March, Ethereum custody, according to a report by Fortune. It is potentially big news for the industry. A successful launch could end up clarifying Ethereum's status as a security, a definition that the industry denies. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has long been ambiguous about whether it considers the coin a security offering. Prometheum is touted by the SEC as a model to emulate for industry compliance, but there are many questions around the origins of the company and its links to federal enforcement agencies. Prometheum's SEC compliance path. In May 17, 2023, Prometheum received approval from the SEC-adjacent Financial Industry Regulatory Authority FINRA to operate as a special-purpose broker-dealer (SPBD). The SEC established the SPBD framework in 2021 to demonstrate that existing securities laws applied to crypto companies. To date, only Prometheum has approval. The SPBD designation greenlit the company to custody crypto. Then on January 10, 2024, Prometheum subsidiary Prometheum Capital LLC received FINRA approval to clear and settle crypto trades for its affiliate, another Prometheum subsidiary, Prometheum Amber ATS. At the same time, it announced it would launch its custody platform in Cone this year. Today's news means that Prometheum is right on schedule. Prometheum Amber ATS was approved as an ATS by FINRA back in July 2021 and launched in October 2022. ATS stands for Alternative Trading System, an SEC term for a registered non-exchange trading venue. An ATS is more loosely regulated than a national exchange. Prometheum has interpreted this as a green light to sell crypto products under the premise that it is not subject to the same disclosure requirements. It lists the assets its target market wants, leaving it to the assets issuers to hash it out with regulators. Many see the choice of Ethereum as a first product a controversial one due to the SEC's inability under Chairman Gary Gensler to provide clarity on whether the coin is a security. Complicating matters, former SEC Director of Corporate Finance William Hinman proclaimed in 2018 that Ether wasn't a security. That same year, 3 years before he took up his post at the SEC, Gensler had agreed. How the industry views Prometheum. Given the industry's repeated insistence that existing securities laws do not offer a suitable framework to regulate crypto, and that the SEC has failed to provide clear guidelines on registration, it's unsurprising that many of its players are skeptical of Prometheum. Gemini co-founder Tyler Winklevoss pointed out on X last year that the so-called crypto company had not launched a product in the first 6 years of its existence. Democrat U.S. Congressman Richie Torres echoed his observation. Winklevoss also highlighted the fact that its staff comprised former SEC and FINRA people. Legal counsel Rodrigo Serra at crypto investment firm Paradigm contradicted Prometheum's claim that ATS status enables it to sell unregistered securities. He tweeted, "An ATS cannot facilitate trading for any unregistered securities not offered under a valid exemption." In fact, the first anybody had ever heard of Prometheum was when founder and CEO Aaron Kaplan testified before the House Financial Services Committee in June last year. He appeared to be parroting SEC narratives, according to Matt Walsh, general partner at crypto VC firm Castle Island Ventures. Follow us on Google News.